Okay, I'm gonna bust some raps and beatboxes for you. So I'm gonna start off with a rap that I made up. And it goes like this. I know it sounds wrong, but I'm playing ping pong with my ding dong. Funny, huh? Yep. And then, yeah. And, do another rap. Goes like this. I made a word, and that word was a bird. The bird took a turn, the nerd for sure said a word, and that word was a bird. Word. Okay, here's that raps in completely fast motion. I made a word, and that word was a bird. The bird took a turn, the nerd sure said a word, and that word was a bird. Word. Okay, and here's that same rap, but I'm going to slow it down a bit so you can understand what I just said. Okay, slow motion. I made a word, and that word was a bird. The bird took a turd with a nerd, and the nerd matured when he said a word, and that word was a bird. Word. Funny, huh? And then I'm gonna make some noises and beatboxes for you, okay? Oh yeah! Cool, huh? Nice dubstep, huh? Yeah. 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 Oh, so that was me rapping, beatboxing, and making awesome noises. Peace out.